everyone and welcome. My name is Chef Shirley.
And this is Little Chef Tatiana.
So today, Little Chef Tatiana and I will show you how to make super delicious, super chocolatey chocolate lava cake. Well, do you want to learn how to make this delicious lava cake with us?
Yeah!
But first, we need to
wash our hands.
That's right, so let's wash our hands and get started. Three large eggs, cocoa powder, white sugar, flour, oil, some water, and vanilla extract. Step 1. In a large bowl, add in the sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. Then mix until fully combined. Now, add in the self-rising flour and cocoa powder. Then continue mixing. Then add in the oil. Mix for another few seconds. And add in the water as needed. Step 2. Now transfer your cake batter to a greased bundt cake tin. This is a donut-shaped cake tin. Then bake on 190 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. All done. And set aside until later. But I love a good homemade chocolate sauce. So this is what you will need. About 500 ml of fresh cream, 2 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar, 3 heaped tablespoons of cocoa powder, and about 1/4 or 1/2 cup of white sugar, and this is for sweetness. So let's make this delicious homemade chocolate sauce. Now add in the cream, cocoa powder, confectioner's sugar and the white sugar to a large saucepan. Then whisk continuously until the chocolate mixture thickens. All done. Now allow this to cool for about 10 minutes. The last step, pour your chocolate sauce over the cake. Be sure to pour over all the chocolate sauce. It's going to be so runny and so creamy and so chocolatey. Yum! My mouth is already watering.
Well, we're all done. Doesn't it look delicious?
Mommy, can we have some lava cake now?
Yes, sure. Well, as you can see, we are ready to dig in. So we have to go now. But thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.